If you are looking for a sleek laptop, then iBall Excelance laptop is right for you. This chocolate brown iBall laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. Weighing only 1.1 kilograms, this thin and light laptop is convenient for those on the move. This laptop has an 11.6-inch FHD IPS screen, which offers 178-degree viewing angle with bright and sharp colors. The 32GB storage allows you to store your photos and documents. You can also use an external HDD or SSD of up to 1 TB. The laptop comes with Intel Atom processor for regular home and office use. The 2GB DDR3 RAM allows you to do day-to-day tasks. It has an average battery life of up to 8.5 hours on a single charge in offline mode. The laptop has one HDMI, one USB 3.0, one USB 2.0 and one audio out port for easy connectivity. This iBall laptop comes with a 1-year brand warranty. Check the product page for attractive exchange and EMI options.